Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the warp already measured and threads grouped. Secure the machine power and stop rotation so nothing slips. First, thread the end through a spare eye or waist bobbin. This keeps tension while you work. Next, route the yarn through the reed and the first heddle. This sets the line for the rest. Once done, check tension by gently pulling. You want steady resistance, not a hard snap. This prevents later breakage and mispicks. You continue by threading each heddle in the exact warp order. Maintaining sequence preserves your shed and pattern. Then feed the yarn into the shuttle or bobbin eye, tie a small secure knot, and trim about 1/4 inch of tail so it won't tangle. Once the shuttle is loaded, make a gradual tension adjustment, looser for delicate yarns, tighter for coarse fiberglass, and run a single test pick. This confirms shed formation. You finish by locking the tension settings and bearings, then run the machine slowly for about 10 to 20 picks so the thread seats into the structure. Make sure to inspect for skipped heddles, slubs, or friction points near the reed and shuttle. These are the common causes of early failure. If things go wrong, like repeated breaks, stop immediately and check needle and hook alignment, as misaligned guides often cut yarn. Replace any damaged guides before continuing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.